Welcome to your daily dose of success affirmations. Listen to this every day, repeat these words with conviction, and watch how your mindset shifts towards greatness. Let's begin. I am successful in everything I do. I am worthy of achieving my biggest dreams. I attract wealth, prosperity, and abundance effortlessly. I am confident, powerful, and unstoppable. Success flows to me easily and naturally. I am constantly growing and improving every day. My mind is focused, and my goals are clear. I have everything I need to succeed within me. I am disciplined, motivated, and determined. Opportunities come to me at the perfect time. I believe in myself and my abilities. My hard work and dedication always pay off. I am resilient and overcome every challenge. I am a magnet for success and happiness. I make smart decisions that lead me to greatness. Every day, I take steps toward my ultimate vision. I am surrounded by positive and supportive people. My actions align with my highest purpose. I am grateful for the success I am creating. I am the architect of my own destiny. Take a deep breath and feel the power of these words sinking into your subconscious. Repeat these affirmations daily, and watch success unfold in your life. You are meant for greatness.